Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add content manager on Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix here, and then let's just click add button here, plus, and then you're gonna see content manager, and you could just click here add to site, right? And when you're gonna do it, you're just gonna wait until it's going to load because it's going to build up. Okay, it's probably right now, but this is how you can simply edit it. Add. Okay, as you can see, so portfolio, news, recipes, jobs, courses, services, you can really choose. And damn, now we got it. And you just manage items here, and you just click here on 3 dots, and change image, and you just change image here, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can simply do it. And yeah, thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.